in this video, I will show you how to design a gaming Watermark logo inside of Adobe Illustrator. So make sure to stay tuned because that's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial here at Design with Muneeb. I'm Muneeb, and in this video I will walk you through the process of designing a gaming Watermark logo inside of Adobe Illustrator. So if you're new to my channel, then I upload graphic design video tutorials, logo design video tutorials like these, tips and tricks and all that kind of good stuff. So make sure to subscribe and let's jump into the video. So here I have Adobe Illustrator open, and let's set the color to well, a hue like pink or purple or blue, something like that. And I'm gonna set this to blue. Now using the text tool, of course it's a Watermark. Using the text tool, I'm gonna add gaming made, and let's centralize that. Well, it's set to black again, so yeah, bummer. Now let's select the font, to specific font. This is the font. Now if you want to download this font for free, you can make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and comment down on the video. I will give you a link to download the font. So let's select this made part and set this color to a dark almost black gray. Now let's duplicate this part, remove the made, and let's add great. So the name of the brand is Great. Now let's open up the rulers by pressing Ctrl R, and let's add rulers right there, and let's space down there, and let's make it a little bit up. So right now it's very boring, and you know, everything is text, but we can just spice it up a little bit. Now let's just ungroup that and press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, go to Object, Expand. Now let's select this, ungroup that, and remove this gaming part. You know, remove these letters. We don't want this. We only want the made part. Now let's select the color to this gray, and let's open up the rectangular tool, and let's make a circle from right somewhere from there. Now let's using the pen tool, we can just add an anchor point right there, and using the direct selection tool we can just realign this. Now using the Adobe Illustrator CSS new feature, we can just smooth it out so it creates a perfect curve, something like this. Now we can just select that, hold Alt, hold that, using the left click, hold Shift, and let's drag that over here. And now to just go one more step further, we can just add a plus in here. So let's make a rectangular, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and just rotate that, combine into one shape. Boom, we have an plus sign. Now here let's add circles, 4 circles. Now let's select this, duplicate and move it below. Let's select them both, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, rotate this. We have something like this. Let's group that. Okay, let's make it a little bit big. Yeah, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to leave a like on the video. If you loved it, then make sure to subscribe. Check out my other awesome content on the channel. This has been Muneeb, and until then, see you later.